next question was asked in 2006. So two tapering bars of the same material is same, subjected to the tensile load P. Okay. So both the lengths of both the bars are same. The larger diameter of the both bars are same, and it is equal to the capital D. The diameter of the bar A at its smaller end is D by 2, and that of the B is D by 3. So what is the ratio of elongation of the bar A to that of the bar B? Okay, this is also straightforward question. And here this is the A and this is the P here, and L is same, and then force P is same. Okay, and then the same material, that means E is the same. So here what is the formula? Delta A, the elongation of the tapered bar, equal to the 4PL divided by E pi D1 D2. Here capital D is same and D2 is nothing but D by 2. Okay, and here delta, generally PL E pi D pi is constant, so that it is inversely proportional to 1 by D1 D2. Okay, and dB equal to 4PL divided by E pi D into D by 3 here in this case. Why? The smaller diameter is D by 3. So they are asking delta A is to delta B here. Okay, so whenever it is inversely proportional, then this one come first. Okay, then it is a delta, so D square by 3 is to D square by 2, then it will become 2 is to 3. Okay, so here what is the answer? Answer is B here. See, this formula is coming again and again, you need to remember this.